How to use the library's online catalog. Open the catalog. Open the catalog from anywhere by going to waukeshapubliclibrary.org and clicking on the Catalog tab.
Viewing your account. Click on Login in the top right corner. Log in with your barcode number and passcode. Click on My Account and Bookshelf at the bottom of the page to view your checkouts, holds, fees, and other account information. You'll also find your bookmarks, saved searches, and reading history if you've selected Keep Reading History in your profile.
Searching the catalog. Type the title you want to find in the gray box at the top of the screen labeled Search the Catalog and click the orange magnifying glass. The catalog will default to a keyword search. To narrow down your search, click on Advanced Search. This will allow you to specify availability, date, format, language, and more along the left side of the page.
Viewing the results. Your search results will group all formats of a title in one box. The tabs across the top list all the formats owned by the Bridges library system and whether or not there are any copies available. Click on your preferred format to see if it's available at your home library. If it's not, click on Find a Copy to see the holdings at all of the libraries. Click on a library's name to see the call number and shelf location.
Placing a hold. To place a hold, select the tab of your preferred format and click on the Place Hold button. Then confirm your pickup location. If you'd like to place a hold on a particular edition, click on Place Hold by Edition. When you see the edition you'd like, click on Place Hold next to that edition. To cancel or freeze a hold, click on My Account and Bookshelf, then click on Holds. The option to cancel or freeze a hold will show to the right of each title. If you have any questions, select the Help icon in the top right-hand corner of the catalog or contact Waukesha Public Library.